Your boy's stranded on an island, and I can only take 5 gluten-free snacks with me. The first snack I'm taking is probably an obvious one to those who know me. Nonetheless, I choose it out of necessity. On this island, I will need my nutrients, my vitamins. I'm a growing boy. And this particular snack will nourish my body and aid me in hoarding off any violent threats from polar bears or Siberian flying squirrels. I don't know what's on the island. Thus, with the first pick of the stranded on a deserted island, it can only take 5 snacks draft. Phil hates gluten. Selects gluten-free Oreos. That's a blue chip prospect right there. Absolutely no doubt he was going number 1. Back to you, John. Who you talking to, buddy? I don't know. I never know. Okay. My second pick is up, so graphic.
Mamma mia!
You know, I'm thinking about something I can nibble on. A snack that's gonna last a while. More of a marathon of snacking than a sprint. Immediately, my noggin goes to chips. And there's a whole lot of chips back on the mainland that old Philly like it. But what will be the single chip bag that is worthy of shipping to this island is a question that I ponder. And my conclusion to the inquiry is Deep River Honey BBQ. This one's a bit of a sleeper pick early in the draft here, John. I've primarily spotted this bag at TJ Maxx. I hear it's other places too. And I'm assuming he's choosing this particular flavor because he can eat as many chips as he wants alone without his fiance commenting on how stinky poo-poo his breath smells. Next up, I'm thinking about something with some substance. Something that can fill this will tummy up. You know, fuel me whilst I'm building a log cabin or more likely just like kicking a rock down the beach or something. Anyways, when you're gluten-free, you always have to BYOB, bring your own bar. And that doesn't change when you're on a tiny plot of land in the middle of the ocean with nothing to do besides kick a rock. I need a bar, baby. A bar with some oh, go macro bar, blueberry and cashew. This was actually kind of like a tough pick, to be honest, but I feel good about my squad so far, so let's build on it. Number 4 is basically a staple of every single gluten-free person's diet. It's like the bottom of the food pyramid. I don't make the rules. I just know that if I was to peer inside the pantry of someone who can't eat the wheats, the barleys, the ryes, I would see this box of cereal. So this selection is like a taste of home, if you will. With the number 4 pick, I select Cinnamon Chex cereal. And I know I won't have milk on the island, but I'm plucking them straight from the box like a G. And to round us out at number 5, the final snack that I'm taking on this island filled with polar bears, flying squirrels, and absolutely nothing to do besides kick a rock down the beach. I'm gonna be so bored. Spudsy's vegan sour cream potato puffs. Okay, that confirms he's definitely just picking the smelliest snacks that usually get dusty particles all over his little fingertips. That's my list. Let me know what 5 gluten-free snacks you would take on a deserted island.